Hello guys, this is part 2. I posted the part 1. We removed the old sink, cut the pipes, as you see. That's 15 mil, so easy to cut. A few quid for 15 mil. They're adjustable for different sizes. We had one of these. Cut these two pipes, hot water and cold water. Remove the old one. It was a little bit difficult because we had to chop the bolts off because they were all turning and you couldn't undo them. So I put the sink upside down on the top. Let's bring the sink like that. Like that. Put the line around it. Make a line. That's the outer one. The line you see is the outer one. It's the outer one. And then we set back 10 millimeter for the edge of the sink. That's the second line. So I'll show you. This is the setback one. This distance here. 10 millimeter setback, 10 millimeter setback all around it. So what do we do? We're gonna cut the inner line, not the outer one, inner one. So I told you about the pipe, we cut them off. That's it. So we're gonna use the jigsaw, you can use that hand saw, anything you want actually. Let's say cut this one, and then when I'm fitting it and do the pipe work, I'm gonna let you know. Thank you guys, bye bye.